What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys know, tax season is here. You guys are getting money. You guys have your car. You want to mod your car. You want to spend that money, but you don't know how. Now I'm going to tell you what are the best mods to buy with your tax money. So I know you guys been waiting, so I'm going to open one box for you guys today. And let's get this one. This is one of the bigger ones, so let's choose this one. Now stay tuned, guys. Throughout the video, I'm going to open that box and show you what's inside. You guys are going to love it, and you're going to be like, what? And you guys probably saw this coming. You probably didn't, but we've had this, and we've had this for a while, so let's just get it. All right, we're now in the garage. Box is right here. It's going to rain today. Oh, I like this weather, though. Pretty nice. You guys ready? You guys ready? Not yet. All right, so you guys just got your check from the tax. You want to know what you're spending on. You got the car in front of you and you're staring at it. You're wondering, what in the world can I do to the car? And I would tell you the first thing you could do would be upgrade the suspension. Once, even if you're stuck on stock wheel heights, do your suspension. The car will stay much lower. It will feel, well, I don't know. If you guys want like really comfortable ride, stay stock. If you want to look nice and still be a little comfortable, get coilovers, get bags, depending on how much you get, how much you want to spend. So that's the first thing you should do. Let's say you got it and you have enough money, or you already, whatever. Let's just say you want to skip that option. Wheels are next. Once you get these wheels on the car, these are 10.5. So let's say you get 10.5 and you get that little poke. Ooh, perfect. I know you guys ask me all the time, what are your wheel specs? 10.5 on 255 tires, 9.5 on 245 tires. Also, let's say you guys already got your stuff, your wheel, your tires, whatever, and you're trying to add more stuff. Let's go with exhaust. Now, there's a Motordyne exhaust. It's like $1,700. You guys do not need to get that. I actually don't have Motordyne. You used to be able to get AAM. I think you still can. I'm not 100%. That's probably like $1,200 or give or take. I don't know. I'm running no muffler, so I have a muffler leak with those pipes. I mean, with the tips. And so I said no muffler. Vibrant resonator in the middle, and I got a white pipe. So if you guys have the extra cash and you want to get some nice pops and bangs like I do, get a white pipe. So you guys can do that. I'll be honest with you, I think this is the perfect time to show you what's in the box right now, since we're already talking about the exhaust. So as you guys already know, you guys probably saw this. It was a long time coming. We have pretty much the full exhaust. But what are we missing so we can spit fire out the back, like 10-foot flames, and still be good? Can you guys guess what it is? Can you guys guess what we are missing? So I finally got these after chasing them for a while, thanks to Angel. Thanks to Angel, probably like after he saw that I was looking for them, he messaged me. He's like, yo, I got them. You want them? And I'm like, sure, let's go. And he sent it to me like a couple days later. So if you guys want to give him a follow, it's UA6_Angel. I'm going to put it right here. And then also, this is what his page looks like. He got an 8th gen Maxima. And yeah, this is Instagram page. So guys, go give him a follow. Go support the boy. He was kind enough to hold them for me and pretty much get them to me. But yeah, look at these. These are good. Like just looking at the car and looking at these, it's going to be awesome. Damn, I really can't wait. I really can't wait. You guys see that? I'll probably show you guys in a little bit, but you need extensions to run to the car, like the O2 extension to put it here, and I think here, I'm not 100% sure. But I know you do need extensions. I was talking to Gerson and he told me that I do need it. So I gotta get those, and that's why we can't install it right now, but I'm gonna try to do that as soon as I can. Same as this one. So guys, we already have this. We have this Gemini Performance white pipe. We have, oh, and also stay tuned because we're gonna change the exhaust on this car. We're gonna go bigger and we're gonna go way better. And this is not the end of this car. Stay tuned. I cannot stress enough. Car, you're gonna love it. It's gonna be one of a kind. But back to the headers. Yeah, guys, you need extensions, O2 extensions. And you can get them from this Foreman's. I called them up and they have them. So I ordered them, waiting for them. You need either a heat wrap or ceramic coating. So what I'm gonna do is ceramic coat them, but I still gotta find, I messaged the dude, but he still haven't messaged me back. So if you guys are in the Central Florida area and you guys know where I can ceramic coat this or what I can do to the headers, let me know. This is not the end of it. Once you get headers, guys, you obviously got to get a tune. I'm gonna just have you guys look at this. Just look at it. Once we do the headers, guys, we got to get a tune. So we're still missing the tune on the car to get rid of that code that comes up. Anyways, now I got another thing. If you guys are in the Central Florida, Kissimmee, Orlando, whatever area, and you guys have a Windows 10 computer running 8 gigabytes of RAM, let me know, because I only got a MacBook and it don't work with the tuning software. So if you guys have that, let me know. I can use it. We can use it. We can hang out for a little bit, you know, tune the car, see some fire, hear some pops. But yeah, guys, just imagine the fun we're gonna have. So that's it. This is what you guys see. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna install the headers. We're gonna do the tunes. We gotta get us ceramic coated. That's what we're not doing in this video. But I just couldn't wait. I have to show my family. I have to show you guys what we got, and it's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be better from here. All right, back to spending money on this car. And there it goes. Starts to rain. But another thing I gotta tell you guys, my white pipe. Since we're already talking about that, the white pipe, like you guys know, I got it from. I won't give him another shout out because honestly, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have a white pipe either. So if it wasn't for J-Rod, I wouldn't have the white pipe. If it wasn't for Angel, I wouldn't have my headers. So there's J-Rod's Instagram, J_Rod6. So guys, give him a follow. And then, you know, he got the Maxima. He got a Max. So J-Rod's Maxima is actually tuned. He has the white pipe. He got me the white pipe. So guys, give him a follow. Shout out to J_Rod6 and shout out to Angel for helping me out with the white pipe and the headers. So honestly, thanks to you guys. Honestly, suspension and wheels and tire can get pretty expensive. So if you guys don't have cash like that, or if you want to only do like a little bit, what you can do is, you know, get like a front lip, rear diffuser, whatever. Like a rear diffuser like the one we're gonna give away probably in the next video. It should be the video of the giveaway. but yeah, something minimal, like probably I think the front lip is probably like 100 and something, almost $200, and the rear diffuser, it's probably like $100 or something like that, or maybe a little less. I don't remember. Depends on which one you get and what company. Ooh, that one's nice. The small things will be like that: front lip, rear diffuser, like the lights in the front. But you know, you don't have to buy those lights that I have. Yeah, it's cool to have the LED strip, but you can honestly like custom build your own headlights or have someone custom build them. It might be a little more expensive to do it, or if you do it yourself, it doesn't have to be that expensive, but you can do that and it'll still look pretty good. You can do like the halos or whatever you want, but you know, you guys have options. You don't have to go and spend a lot of money. You don't have to go and spend a lot of money and all that. So these are the things I recommend you get, you know, if you want to buy something for your car. Suspension, if you have the cash, either suspension, wheels, don't forget tires, but get good tires. Don't get cheap tires, because they can blow out on you or cause some type of problem, and then you can ruin your wheels that you got. So don't cheap out. How are my brakes? How are my brakes? Are they good? Yeah, they are. But yeah, you can get suspension, wheels, tires. Those are the three big things. For a cheaper price, you can probably get like a white pipe. You can do an exhaust custom. You can cut your mufflers or have a muffler elite. Put a vibrant resonator so it's not that raspy with some tips. You're looking probably like under $1,000. It's just a quick video. This came to my head and I'm like, damn, you know, and you guys asked me so much, oh, I just got my Maxima, what should I do? You know, what's the first mod that I should do, this and that. And honestly, tax returns are here. I know there's like a lot of things going on in the world. I know there's a lot of things going on in the world right now. It's not that smart to be spending so much money on a car, but hey, it is what it is. You guys can do whatever you want. Stay tuned for the next video, and I got a big surprise for you guys coming, so I'm gonna catch you guys later. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to, if you like the content, share the video, guys. That'll help me out a lot. And honestly, just give the video a like. It's free. It doesn't hurt, just click. So I'm gonna catch you guys later, and peace.